Today we are diving deep into the world of green tea in Japan. Green tea is omnipresent in Japan, from the traditional tea ceremonies in Kyoto to the bottled green tea found in vending machines and convenience stores across the country. Most of this green tea is grown, harvested, and processed right here in Japan. It plays a central role in the daily lives of the Japanese people, with a rich culture surrounding the harvest and preparation of these tea leaves. The green tea produced in Japan is unique in taste and value compared to leaves harvested in China and other parts of the world. In this video, I will guide you through the detailed process of making green tea in Japan. It is truly fascinating, so let's check it out. The journey begins with planting the tea tree. The soil used for growing tea should be well-draining, have good aeration and moisture retention properties, and be deep enough to allow the roots to grow and spread. Here they use a machine to expedite the work. Once the tea plant has grown, a watering system is employed to provide constant hydration. Interestingly, ducks are often kept on tea farms to eat the worms and weeds without damaging the tea plants. This method offers a double benefit. You get organic tea and ducks. Most tea farms in Japan are organic and avoid using chemical fertilizers. However, it is commonly said that high-grade and quality jokuro and matcha require a substantial amount of fertilizer. To promote faster growth of tea plants, farmers must regularly remove grass, a task typically done by machine due to the large volume of grass. Ten years after planting, tea plants undergo trimming and pruning to rejuvenate old plants and maintain the height of the plucking surface for efficient harvesting. Trimming occurs every 2 to 3 years, while pruning is done every 5 years. Farmers discovered that covering tea leaves enhances their umami flavor and reduces bitterness, a practice that has led to the popularity of matcha green tea. Japanese tea farmers do not use pesticides, not even natural pesticides like jikakijiku. Since switching to organic cultivation, beneficial insects that feed on harmful pests have thrived, maintaining a healthy farm ecosystem. During summer, when pests are most active, farmers and workers use a simple machine with a blower and spray. The blower emits strong gusts of wind to dislodge pests from leaves, while the spray delivers high-pressure water to eliminate them. From April to October, tea shoots are harvested 2 to 4 times. The first crop is harvested from late April to mid-May, the second in late June, the third from late July to early August, and the fourth in mid-September. In Shizuoka Prefecture, the average yield is 8,000 kilograms per hectare for the first harvest, 6,000 kilograms for the second, and 4,000 kilograms for the third. The first crop is of the highest quality and fetches the highest price, while the areas harvested for the third and fourth crops are declining due to their lower market value. Tea leaves can be harvested by hand or machine. Here we see a machine with a large bag for collecting the leaves. Another type of machine used is a riding self-propelled tea harvester, first developed in Japan in 1969. Since then, over 5,400 units of various tea harvesting machines have been manufactured and supplied mainly to Japanese tea farmers. These machines, developed from years of experience, are now used in wider fields of tea plantations. After harvesting, tea leaves are transferred to factories for processing and packaging. Modern tea processing in Japan is highly mechanized, a stark contrast to the manual methods used 100 years ago. Each type of tea requires a different processing method. For example, sencha, the most consumed tea in Japan, involves 3 key steps: steaming, rolling, and drying. Steaming, the shortest but most crucial step, lasts between 30 to 120 seconds to halt oxidation within the tea leaves. Rolling, a sequence of several similar steps, takes several hours, usually around 3, to dry extra moisture from steaming, push internal moisture to the surface, and break cell walls to aid in brewing. Finally, tea leaves are shaped into beautiful straight needles and dried. Once processed, the tea is packed into large bags for export. This is the entire process of green tea production in Japan.